Welcome back here at the Future of Information and Communication Conference in San Francisco. In these episodes, I'm talking to the authors of some of the most highly valued papers. And in this episode, I'm talking to Leszek Dziura from Poland. And if you think, hey, that's a familiar face, yes, indeed. He was also an author at the first FICC in Singapore last year. Good to have you back, Leszek.
Thank you so much. I'm glad to be the participant of the second conference, where I have an opportunity to exchange ideas with many amazing researchers.
Exactly.
From
And in this
from all over the world.
Exactly. And in this conference, you're actually presenting two papers. One of them is an extension of the topic you talked about last year, AI in the application of business organizations. Yeah. And the other one is about sentiment analysis. Let's start with the first one. You already explained me. It's the whole thing together. What did you set to find out?
So I wanted to put emphasis on a holistic approach. I mean to apply artificial intelligence solutions, business intelligence systems, as well as different information systems, and ensure the data quality to support managers of contemporary organizations, to automate tasks, to improve efficacy and efficiency of business decisions.
Exactly. And can you elaborate a little bit to our viewers, how did you approach this research? What did you do?
So I created a holistic model combining all the elements, I mean different methods, tools and technique of data mining. Mm-hmm. I tried to apply the proper quality of data which undergo the ETL process, which is data cleansing, and then try to use appropriate tool of analysis to support managers.
And how did you validate your model in practice? Did you go out and kind of test certain scenarios?
Yes, I had selected a few companies, and I conducted a few case studies and a survey research.
And what were your findings in the field?
So that, for example, AI now is growing nowadays. It's becoming more and more popular, now in many different branches, like, for example, banking, like management of production, as well as in healthcare. Let's take, for example, computer vision and its application in medical diagnosis, for example, radiology.
Yeah, so that's where you see the artificial intelligence actually helping the doctors getting the diagnostics right.
It is widely used nowadays.
Yeah. And your second paper focused on sentiment analysis in a municipality. What was your research there?
It was devoted not to the management of a commune. That's the lowest administrative unit in Poland, and it's a possibility to collect opinions. Yes, opinions on the functionality of a commune, for example. So we could apply as a source of information media portals such as Facebook, Twitter, bulletin boards, and electronic documents, and process the data using, for example, machine learning, supervised learning, unsupervised learning, or lexical-based approach.
Yes. What were some of the unexpected findings in this project? What really surprised you?
The main fact was that only a small percentage of communes use the sentiment analysis tools.
And that surprised you?
Yes, that surprised us. Yes.
Because if someone watching who's in local government, why would you advise them to actually start using these kind of tools?
So it's a very useful tools, yes, may support the leaders of such communes, not in their daily life, can improve the functionality of such communes. Oh. So, as well as the automation of tasks.
Automation of tasks again, yeah. Now, Leszek, You are in a unique position. You've been at both FICC conferences. To our viewers who've never been to this conference, what makes you coming back? What made you decide to come back to San Francisco and submit 2 papers to this conference?
So it's a really great conference. I have an opportunity to meet many amazing researchers from the whole world. It's a great place to exchange ideas. I am open for international cooperation, for example, to realize mutual projects and so on.
Wow.
So,
And you're succeeding in that here again at FICC.
yes, thank you so much.
Well, thank you, Leszek, for sharing, and thank you for watching this video all the way to the end. If you're curious to learn more about the other innovations presented here, make sure you check out the SAI conference website. Hit subscribe right now here on YouTube and be the first to know when a new video is published. And of course, Leszek and I are looking forward to meet you in person at one of our future conferences.